Hello there, tech enthusiasts. It is TechWares, and today is December 7th, 2024. Today, we're going to be diving into some exciting news from Valve, the return of the Steam machines, or Steam boxes. Valve has recently rolled out a new powered by SteamOS branding, signaling a potential expansion of their hardware ecosystem. Longtime Valve watchers might remember the original Steam machines, Valve's attempt at crafting third-party gaming PC hardware based on an early version of SteamOS. While that effort didn't quite take off, it looks like Valve is giving it another shot with this new branding initiative. The new powered by SteamOS logo indicates that hardware devices will run SteamOS and boot directly into the operating system upon power on. This is distinct from the previous Steam-compatible branding, which covered non-Valve input peripherals reviewed by Valve to work with Steam. While there hasn't been any official rollout yet, this move suggests that Valve is gearing up to officially license SteamOS compatibility for third-party hardware. This could open up exciting possibilities for gamers and hardware enthusiasts, potentially leading to a wider range of SteamOS compatible devices beyond Valve's own Steam Deck. It is an exciting time for PC gaming. We'll be keeping a close eye on how this develops. So let me show you this article from Ars Technica that said, "The return of Steam machines, Valve rolls out a new powered by SteamOS branding." Also, this article from Tom's Hardware, Valve preps mysterious Fremont SteamOS device powered by AMD Ryzen processor, potential Steam box or Steam machine, may sport a Hogpoint CPU with Zen 4 and RDNA 3 graphics. This was spotted by a Reddit user, and it showed that Valve is testing a new SteamOS device. The mysterious device, which Valve calls Fremont, of course, hardware devices do have their own code names as well. This one seems to be called Fremont, and it seems to be a long-awaited successor to the Steam box. The Steam Deck kernel was updated a month ago for a device codenamed Fremont, which doesn't correspond to any official released Valve product. The kernel update is brief and only changes a single character on a single file. However, there are some nuggets of information, references to a Chrome OS embedded controller or CEC driver, Google Dexy, and AMD Lilac. Over here it says, "We searched for laptops and desktops that used this APU and GPU combination and came up empty-handed." So this could be Valve's Fremont device, and as the Reddit user speculates, if it is, then it is almost certainly not going to be the Steam Deck 2. So I'm really excited for this, guys, because I actually made a video. It's on my channel, I think a few months ago, and it was called Steam Deck Machines 2 or something like that. And I spoke about how Valve should go back to the drawing boards and to the think tank and come up with a different way to release Steam machines, because the Steam Deck is a handheld gaming device. Of course, it is dockable and you can use it as a PC, of course, with the keyboard and mouse. However, we need a more powerful sort of Steam Deck that is not in a controller form, but actually in like a desktop PC form, whether it's small form factor or mid-tower or whatever. It needs to happen, all right? We need Steam machines. We need more budget-friendly, affordable PCs for gamers, okay? Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think next year we will see a new device from Valve, and I think it is going to be pretty much the Steam Machine 2 or something of that right? Just the successor for the Steam machines. Take care, everyone. Peace.